Hello children, I am Ankita ma'am and we are on lesson 5 of class 3G science. Your chapter is plants, parts and their functions. So let us see the key topics. Parts of a plant, structure and function of each part of the plant, structure of a seed, kinds of seed, process of germination, care of plants. Let us begin the lesson. So, like us, plants are also living beings. We also know that the plants are living beings. They are very important for us as we depend on them for food, clothes, medicines and many other things. It is very true. We depend for them for food, clothes, medicines and many other things also. There is a variety of plant around us. They also provide us oxygen to us. We know they take carbon dioxide and give us oxygen in the process of photosynthesis. So let us begin the lesson. First part is parts of a plant. You can see here the diagram. First we will begin with the diagram. Here this is the bird, you can see. This is the flower. This is the leaf. This portion is the shoot portion. Above portion is the shoot and this below the soil is the root portion. And this is the stem you can see over here and this is the root. So this two part it is divided. One part is the root portion which we can see and the under the ground the portion that is the root portion. Upper portion is the shoot one and the lower portion is the root one. So let us come to the topic. The body of a plant has different parts. All the parts work together like a team to keep the plant alive. So several parts are there. Similarly, as our body is having several parts and all together work as a team, similarly, a plant has also different parts and it works together as a team to keep the plant alive. A plant is divided into two main parts. As I already said, two main parts. This is the shoot and the root. So let us see the shoot. The part of the plant which is above the soil is called the shoot portions. We call it as a shoot. The shoot has stem, branches, buds, leaves, flowers and fruits. This all comes under the shoot portions. And what is root? The part of the plant which remains under the soil is called the root. Please underline it. I have also underlined in the book. You can see. Please do underline it. The part of the plant which remains under the soil is called the root portion. The shoot grows upward to get sunlight and air. The shoot portion is the above portion which grows up to get sunlight and air. The root grows downward inside the soil to absorb water and minerals. So the root portions go deep into it to absorb the water and minerals. Structure and functions of different parts of the plant are given below. So let us come to different parts. Now here is the roots. Roots are very important part of a plant. They grows under the ground. They hold the plants firmly in the ground. The basic function we can say the root is to hold the plant firmly in the ground. With the help of the roots only plant help to stand firmly in the ground. Now infobus portion, in all the chapter infobus are very important. So please learn it. Banyan tree also has roots that arise from its branches and grow down towards the ground. It has also roots and the roots arise from its branches also. Have you ever seen a banyan tree? It has long roots which come from the branches and go down towards the ground. So there are two types of roots, taproot and fibrous root. You can see the picture of a taproot. This is a taproot. One main long, thick and strong root will be there. That is the taproot. The main root that grows from the end of the stem is called the taproot. Please underline it. It has many thin roots growing out of it. You can see there are lot of thin roots growing out of it. Taproot is long, thick and strong. Plant like radish, carrot and sunflower have taproots. This all plants have taproots. Next coming to fibrous root. Some plants have clusters of root of the same size growing from the end of the stem. You can see how it is growing from the end of the stem. This is called fibrous root. Please underline it. They are very thin and weak. Some plants like rice, wheat, grass and onion have fibrous root. These sorts of plant have which type of root? Fibrous root they have. Okay. So coming to the activity part, you can try at your home. Roots fix plant firmly in the soil. Take an empty ice cream cup and fill it with a garden soil. Sow some seeds of wheat in this cup. Place the cup in the sunlight and water it regularly. The seeds will germinate in about 1 week. When the seedlings are 1 week old, stop watering them so that the upper portion of the soils becomes dry. Now hold the tiny plants as shown in the figure and try to lift the cup. What do you find? You will find that the cup can be lifted as the roots of the plant are firmly fixed in the soil. You can lift like this because the roots are fixed in the soil in the cup. So this shows that roots keep the plant firmly in the soil. Next, coming to the functions. Root fix the plant firmly in the soil, as I have already said. They help to keep the plants to stand straight. They hold the soil and prevent it from being washed away by water or wind. They take in water and minerals from the soil and pass them to the stem. Some roots store food. Vegetables like radish, beetroot, turnip and carrot are roots which have food in them. We eat them as root. We eat these roots as food. Yes or no? We eat them as a vegetables. They are the root portions of the food, we can say.